Hi guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to mix two oils together in order to achieve a long-lasting foaming laundry bar soap using semi-hot method. Okay, so if you're interested, watch this video to the end to see how I achieve this long-lasting bar soap. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, welcome back to today's video. Okay, if you are new here, subscribe. This is my soda hash. Okay, I'm introducing my chemical to you guys. That is what we'll be needing in today's production. This is my caustic soda 250 gram. This is my silicate 200 ml, and this is my calcium 250 gram, and this is my foam booster 200 ml. You know, I combined two oils together: palm oil, bleach palm oil, and PKO. So I need foam booster. Okay, this is my water that I'll be needing for today production. So the first thing I turn it in is my caustic soda. Okay, I've turned in my caustic soda. All I need to do is to stir and get that good result I'm looking for. The second thing that I'm turning in is my soda hash. Okay, so you stir, okay, till everything is dissolved. Okay, so guys, in this production I use two oil. Okay, I combine, like I mix two oil together using the semi-hot method. Okay, in this method you don't allow your light solution to cool down before you go into production. Like the way I'm doing it now, this is my mixture. Okay, I don't allow it to cool down before I pour it into my oil. Okay, so after that I'll go in with my silicate. Just follow the mixture. You are going to get it correctly and follow what I'm doing. Okay, if you can see very well, I mix two chemical inside my water. Okay, that this water I'm using it for production, and this is my oil. The oil that I'm using in this production is 1.5 liter. The bleach palm oil is 1 liter, while the PKO is half a liter. So what I just pour in now is my calcium. Okay, so after I turn it inside, I'll mix very well. Like I said, using the semi-hot method. In this method, you don't allow your light solution to cool down. Okay. After you mix your oil very well, you mix it very well. That mixture that we mixed earlier in your water, then you now bring it and begins to add gradually. You will see everything in this video. All you need to do is that you should not rush. Don't rush the video, don't skip any part so that you understand what I'm saying. Okay, make sure you mix very well till every lumps is disappear from it. I combine two oil, like I said, the bleach palm oil and PKO. Okay, and my bleach palm oil is 1 liter and my PKO is half a liter. I'm using that is why I'm using a foam booster in this production. Okay, so that it can help me boost it. So I'm adding my perfume. My perfume is 220 ml. Okay, I'm adding it into my oil, then I will stir. Okay, so just follow it. Get your pen and paper, because as we go I write out the measurement. So this is our mixture, the mixture of the three ingredients. That is the three chemical that we mixed earlier in our water. So it is time for us to add it into our oil. You can see the way I'm pouring it gradually and mixing it. Okay, so you make sure you mix it very well. Mix it very well so that everything will mix. Okay, so after you mix very well, it is time for me to pour in my color. Okay, the color and the perfume is optional. I don't know how you want your own soap to be. Okay, it is optional, but in this case I want to like add color because I'm using bleach palm oil for this production. and PKO. So it is time for me to add, to begins to pour into my mold. You can see how the soap is very thick. Okay, it has come to that thick trace whereby I'll begin to pour it into my mold. You can see how the soap is looking. So after the next day, I'll unmold it and look at how beautiful my soap is. Yeah, look at the soap. So beautiful. It's looking so beautiful, strong, and all of that. Okay, you can decide to unmold it after some hour, but mine, I leave it till the next day. Okay, so guys, if you find this video very interesting, helpful, amazing, please do not forget to share, subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section, ask me any question you want to ask me concerning laundry bar soap, and I will be there to answer you. And I will see you in my next video. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this extent, I love you and I will never take your love for granted. Okay guys, bye, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, ciao.